Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing my get ready to film with me makeup look. I am getting ready to film a Ulta haul, so I'm super excited. My first makeup haul of 2019, and I am so pumped because I got some really cool things. So yes, I just wanted to come on here and do my makeup, and of course, why waste a good makeup look and not film it and make another video, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a member of the Indie fam. This year we are doing big things over here. I'm telling you, like, my channel will skyrocket by... Definitely make sure that you guys are hitting the subscribe button. Definitely make sure you guys are hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. I do accept both. It really don't matter. Don't get it twisted. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will have all the links down here. I will have the links down below, and I will have it here in the screen somewhere. My Twitter is Thatsndy. My Instagram is Thatsndy, and my Snapchat is it's ID25. I wish I could change it. I really wish I could change it. Definitely make sure that you guys are over there. Follow me on social media. I'm always on social media, so make sure that you guys are following me and hitting me up. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into the makeup tutorial. It's not really a tutorial. It's really kind of like a get ready with me. You know how we do it over here on the channel. We don't do too much talking, chats. We don't do too many of those because your girl is busy working a regular human job, you feel me? A regular, unconscious, third dimensional job, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really have time to do all those talk throughs, and as much as I love to do them, I don't have the time. Just do the makeup and y'all can jam to the music, you feel me? But I feel like y'all really don't care to listen to my voice. Just check out the makeup and the music. I think that works over here. Let me know if it doesn't. Thumbs up, thumbs down if it doesn't. I don't really know, leave a comment. So for the Ulta haul, it's gonna be pretty epic, and the Ulta haul will be up before the makeup look, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss either video. And like I said, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll have those links below, and I'll have them somewhere on the screen. Make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys are leaving comments, and make sure you guys are thumbsing up or thumbs down, it don't matter. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yo. Yo.